Now I'm going to show you how to cook a nice piece of skin-on salmon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wonderful piece of salmon, I'm going to brush it with some olive oil, and I'm going to put the skin on the bottom side of the grill. The reason why is the bottom side of these grills is the hotter side, and so what's going to happen is when we're done, because you can't really chew through salmon skin, you can cut through it just barely with a knife. And when we're done, what's going to happen is we are going to put a little salt and pepper on this. When we're done, we're just going to slide it right off the skin. You'll see it's pretty neat. So let's just take our salmon. You'll see skin side right there, skin side down. Give it a nice little rakish tilt. And this is probably going to take it's a pretty decent sized piece of salmon, probably about 3 minutes or so for a nice medium rare. So we're going to close this down on there and come back and look at our wonderful piece of salmon in about 3 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes, that piece of salmon. It was a pretty small piece of salmon, so we're going to go ahead and check on it. Look at that. That is wonderful looking. Let's zoom in a little bit. Notice the perfect grill markings on top, the nice crisp brown glaze there on the top. That's a beautiful looking piece of fish. So what we can do, let me pan back out, is at this point, we'll see if I can get the skin to come right off. It might just stick to the grill. Nope, the non-stick on this is a little too good. So what I can do, I can choose to flip it over right now. Grab a hold of a corner. You can see I can just peel it right off. I'm going to leave it on there though, because I'm going to serve it with the skin on. Because some people actually eat it skin on. So I'm one of those people. Alrighty.